Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, what is this instrument? If you see, there are two poles here. There are two poles. So what is this? So this is bipolar diathermy. It is bipolar diathermy. So in this bipolar diathermy, there is a bipolar forceps and it has two active electrodes. The bipolar forceps have two active electrodes. And the tissue between these two, the tissue caught between two electrodes heats up and burned. Okay, so this is mainly used in gynecological procedures. Okay, thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.